guys! Today I made a cardboard box that can eat. Can you see its face? I can see it. Wait! I'll put it near light. Here is. Can you see its face? It has a hole under here, so it can eat. Let me get tomato. Whoa, she ate the tomato. Now it's half. How about some lemonade? Oh, what is it? Wait, let me turn the lemonade. Let's try to feed it to her again. Oh, she drank it until it was little. Yay! How about this gummy? Rainbow gummy. Whoa, you can see the sugar inside.
Free for 30 days. Tapos yung 20 maybe yan buli.
How about some fish?
129 ang
Wow. Fish?
Video.
Wow. How about this mystery one?
We'll email you before your trial ends.
What's this?
Okay, puwan na magbayad. Oo, mabasa. Maano
How
ka.
about this one?
If you...
Love.
Mr. Bill.
This last one, mystery. You. I love you. Yay. Let's feed her tomato again because I want to. Yay. It actually came out so good. Yay. And bye guys. This is a fun toy I made.